A very good morning. This presentation is brought to you by Resonate International with a mission to leverage knowledge worldwide. The topic being covered is navigating life's journey, harnessing spirituality, philosophy and strategy. Ladies and gentlemen, life is not a destination. It is a dynamic, unfolding quest for discovery. Navigating life does not require perfection, but continuous refinement through resilience, discipline, and wisdom. As Miyamoto Musashi, the legendary samurai, observed, the way is in training. With each step forward, life transforms from the ordinary to the extraordinary. Ancient spiritual and philosophical teachings, when embraced strategically, offer timeless guidance for navigating the complexities of existence. Let us look more deeply into the subject. First, do not think dishonestly. Integrity is life's true foundation. As Socrates declared, the unexamined life is not worth living. Honest self-reflection clears inner confusion and cultivates clarity. Authenticity with oneself and the world fosters resilience and deepens human connection. Second, timing and flexibility. Mastery demands adaptability. Sun Tzu's wisdom that in the middle of chaos there is also opportunity highlights that strategic timing transforms setbacks into breakthroughs. Flexibility is not weakness, it is strength tempered with wisdom. Third, the way is in training. Continuous training sharpens both skill and purpose. Preparation builds the mental and emotional resilience necessary to overcome life's trials. Every day becomes an opportunity to grow stronger in the face of challenge. Fourth, become acquainted with every art and know the ways of all professions. Broad experiences shape understanding. Leonardo da Vinci's mastery across disciplines exemplified the power of curiosity. By exploring varied paths, life becomes enriched, fostering creativity and deeper empathy. Fifth, pay attention even to trifles. Life's smallest details often shape its largest outcomes. Confucius taught, success depends upon previous preparation. Mindfulness in the minutiae transforms the mundane into the meaningful, highlighting awareness and purpose. Sixth, develop intuitive judgment and understanding for everything. Intuition is inner mastery in action. The Bhagavad Gita emphasizes knowledge is better than mere ritual. Meditation is better than knowledge, and selfless service is better still. Cultivating intuition strengthens decisive action and awakens spiritual insight. 7. Distinguish between gain and loss in worldly matters. Worldly outcomes often conceal deeper truths. True balance arises from detachment, as taught in the Bhagavad Gita. Perform your duty with an even mind, abandoning all attachment to success or failure. True contentment emerges from mastering one's response to life's victories and defeats. 8th, perceive those things which cannot be seen. Life's most profound truths are often invisible. Love, purpose, and destiny are felt, not seen. Lao Tzu's words, the Tao that can be told is not the eternal Tao, reminds us that life's highest truths transcend the material realm. 9th, do nothing which is of no use. Every action should serve a purpose. Marcus Aurelius captured this principle, urging, waste no more time arguing about a good man should be. Be one. Deliberate living transforms life into a meaningful journey of purpose and impact. What's the way forward? The path of self-mastery is illuminated by honesty, intuition, and purposeful action. Through adaptability and continuous learning, life's challenges become invitations to grow. Ancient wisdom reveals that life's true strength lies in humility, discipline, and reflection rather than control. In conclusion, ladies and gentlemen, mastery of life's journey is not about control. It is about alignment with purpose and truth. Musashi's wisdom, the way is in training, reminds that mastery is found in constant, deliberate practice. As the Bhagavad Gita also teaches, yoga is skill in action. It is through disciplined action, refined over time, that clarity and fulfillment are found. By embracing life's journey with integrity, adaptability, and purpose, one creates a legacy that transcends personal limits and enriches the world. Good luck, best wishes, and God bless.